Farmhouse home decor ideas. Let's have a look. Vintage style farmhouse home decor combines rustic charm with timeless elegance, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Here are some key elements to achieve this look. Open shelving. Display your kitchenware, mason jars, and vintage kitchen tools on open shelves. This adds to the rustic feel and makes the space feel more open. Vintage accessories. Decorate with items like old enamelware, galvanized metal containers, milk jugs, and vintage signs. These small touches bring authenticity to the style. Barn doors. Sliding barn doors can be a great feature, adding both function and farmhouse flair. Greenery. Add some life with potted plants, fresh flowers, or dried lavender in simple containers like mason jars or ceramic pots. Upcycle and repurpose. Vintage farmhouse style embrace sustainability. Consider repurposing old items like turning a wooden ladder into a bookshelf or using mason jars for storage and decoration. Personalize with dye projects. Create custom pieces that reflect your personal style. For example, make a farmhouse style sign or build a distressed wood picture frame. Dye projects add unique charm and a personal touch. Keep it simple. Vintage farmhouse decor is all about simplicity and functionality. Avoid clutter and focus on a few well-chosen items that tell a story and bring warmth to the space. Vintage hardware. Replace modern door handles, cabinet knobs, and light switch covers with vintage or vintage-inspired hardware. Brushed iron or porcelain knobs can make a big difference in maintaining the farmhouse aesthetic. Layered rugs. Use layered rugs to add texture and warmth. Start with a larger neutral rug like jute or seashell and add a smaller patterned or vintage style rug on top. This creates a cozy and inviting feel. Use chalk paint. Chalk paint is a great way to give furniture and decor a distressed, vintage look. It's easy to apply and works well on dressers, tables, and even picture frames. Add a rustic fireplace mantle. If you have a fireplace, a reclaimed wood mantle can be a standing focal point. Decorate it with vintage mirrors, lanterns, or old picture frames to complete the look. personality to a room. Mix different frames and sizes for eclectic, collected over time feel. Opt for farmhouse lighting. Choose light fixtures that evoke a farmhouse feel, like industrial style pendants, messenger lights, or old iron candeliers. Addition bulbs add a warmth, nostalgic glow. Display family heirlooms. Showcase any family heirlooms or antiques you have. Whether it's a quilt, a set of dishes, or a piece of furniture, these items bring a sense of history and personal connection to your home. Use curtain alternatives. Instead of traditional curtains, consider using burlap, linen, or even cafe curtains. These options add a rustic touch while letting natural light filter through. Decorate with baskets. Open baskets are both functional and decorative. Use them to store blankets, firewood, or magazines, or hang them on the wall for added texture and interest. Focus on functional decor. Farmhouse style values practicality. Decorate with items that serve a purpose, like wooden crates for storage, metal baskets for organizing, or hooks for hanging kitchen tools. Incorporate wainscoting or breadboard. Adding wainscoting or breadboard to walls is a classic farmhouse touch. It adds texture and depth while maintaining the clean, vintage look. Offer slip-covered furniture. Slip covers on sofas and chairs add to the relaxed, lived-in feel of a farmhouse. Choose neutral colors like white, beige, or soft gray for an inviting and easy to clean option. Use vintage suitcases for storage. Stack vintage suitcases to use as side tables or extra storage. They add charm and are perfect for holding blankets, books, or other small items. Display vintage books. Incorporate old books into your decor. Stack them on coffee tables, display them on shelves, or use them to elevate other decor items. Their own pages and covers add a sense of history. Create cozy nooks. Use vintage furniture to create small, cozy nooks in your home. A reading corner with an antique armchair, a small side table, and a floor lamp can become a perfect retreat. Mix and matching dining chairs. For a casual farmhouse look, mix different styles of dining chairs around your table. and shelving to display canned goods, dried ingredients in glass jars,